This video will go over adding a key fob using our DX Access controller on our DX Access Control software. So to get started, you're going to select Basic Config and then Personnel. Now select Auto Add. Now select Door and then choose the door that you want to present the fob with. For this example, we'll just choose door 1 and then select Next. Now we'll present the fob to door 1. And now that fob will register, and just select OK. Alright, so that key fob has been added, and now you can double click on that line item there or select Edit at the top. And now we can customize this user here. Okay, so we can just give it a name there. And the card number will be left alone. That's the actual fob, key fob number, and then just select OK. Alright, so that's how you add a key fob using our DX Access Control software. Thank you for watching.